In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to swap USDC for Solana. So essentially all you need to do is go to swapsol.xyz. You can find the link in the description. We are going to go over here to USend. We're going to click the drop down. We're going to go to USDC and we will click on base because I have it on base chain. If you have USDC on Ethereum chain, you can also click that here, but I'm going to do it on base chain. So USDC, and we are going to do $100 and we're going to change that into Solana. So all you need to do is put the amount of USDC that you want to change into Sol, and you will click exchange here. Now we need to put in our Sol address. Now there's two popular Solana wallets. One would be Phantom Wallet, and there's one called Solflare. I like Solflare. So I'm gonna go up here to my Solflare wallet. I'm gonna click receive, and here is my address. I'm gonna copy the address here. This is gonna be the wallet that the Solana gets sent to, okay? So it'll show up here when I'm ready. When I click the recipient Sol address, I'm gonna actually paste that wallet address here. So I'm gonna send 100 USDC on base chain to get 0.44 Sol. So I'm gonna click create an exchange. It says exchange is being created. Now it's going to give us a deposit address. We are going to click copy here, and now what we need to do is send 100 USDC to this address. So we're just going to go up to my MetaMask where I have my USDC, and I'm going to click send. I'm going to enter the public address, so the address that we have right here ending in 1F, deposit address. We're going to click paste. So you can see it ends in 1F. Just kind of double check your numbers here. Yep, looks good. And we are going to send USDC, and we're going to send 100 USDC to that address. We will click continue here. Just double check 100 USDC to that address. We're going to click confirm. It's pending. And you can see it is sent. Confirmed. So go back here. It says as soon as we receive the deposit, the info will be updated and the process will move on. Sometimes this can take a couple minutes, but here we are. It's being confirmed now. You can see that it'll usually switch into that pretty quickly after you send it, especially with base chain and Solana chain because they're very fast transactions. So all we're going to do is wait and make sure that everything showed up in the wallet correctly. It is 11:08 right now, 11:08 p.m. You can see it says your Sol is being sent. As you can see, it showed up here in my wallet. We have 0.44 Solana, and that's how simple this is, guys. If you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and leave a comment below or share this with your friends. This site also works for many other different crypto swaps, so make sure to check it out in the link in the description below. And right now it is only 11:14, so it took about 5 minutes for this to be in our wallet. As you can see here, it says your exchange was complete, and that's how simple this is, guys.